I will be doing my bioethics presentation on the use of pig parts in medicine. The issue is there's a shortage of organs for transplant. About 120,000 people are in need of a transplant every day, and out of these 120,000 people, 75,000 are on a waiting list because there's a shortage. And every day, about 20 people will die because they won't get their organs in time. A solution for this would be xenotransplantation, which is the process of transplanting organs or tissues between members of different species. And it's used to increase the number of available organs and tissues for those in need of a transplant. And a good candidate for this are the pigs, because there's a decrease in cross-species diseases. Their organs are compatible, and their organs are compatible in size. And from a pig, we can get organs such as heart, kidneys, eye tissues, livers, lungs, neural cells, and etc. Some pros and cons, though, are there's an increase in organ supply for those who will need organs. More people will get the organs they need, and in time, and there is a great clinical potential. But the cons are there is a risk of infection, and they'll get a reaction from a disease the animal might carry, because not all the organs will probably come from pigs. A lot of people believe this is like how scientists treat animals in these labs is animal abuse, and they believe there are many ethical issues with animal testing. Today, scientists have successfully created a human-pig chimera embryo hybrid. They had created this to further develop lab-grown human organs, and they have created this chimera to help with the shortage of organs. They have tested this with mice and rats, and the development of the human organs would be in the pig's embryo. The background of the word chimera actually comes from a legend in Greek mythology. In Greek mythology, the word chimera means fire-breathing monster with multiple animal parts. The most common visual aid to see this chimera would be like head of a lion, body of a goat, and tail of a snake. But in biology, it is the natural or artificial development of one individual organism containing cells of another, which is basically xenotransplantation. Many people believe this is unethical, but in order for it to be ethical, the organs must be human enough to be effective, and it must be tested enough through invasive animal research. But the organs must not be human enough to be protected, and a lot of people believe this is crossing a lot of moral lines because of animal abuse, and some animals are more self-aware than others. But people can also argue that it's essentially the same as creating lab-grown animals for consumption. Currently, the National Institute of Health had blocked funding for chimeras because of ethical reasons, and it has created a major barrier for further progress. Thank you.